Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you the assembly procedure of plates in a plate type freshwater generator. At first I will show you how to stick the gaskets on the plates which have come out from its groove. Clean the area thoroughly from where the gaskets have come out and apply a very thin layer of adhesive. You can see a very thin layer is required. You can see different type of plates in the evaporator section. You can see the difference with the gaskets. This is the assembly procedure of the evaporator section.